Good morning, dear children. All of you open page number 8 in your textbooks. Okay, today we are going to do assessment of speaking and listening. Okay, I am going to tell how to do this assessment. Okay, I will give you the examples and you have to complete this assessment. Okay, children, see this first one, listening. Listen to these polite requests. They have given some polite requests. All these are some polite requests. Match them with the situations. We have to match. We have to match these polite requests with the situations. So we have to create some situations and we have to frame some sentences that we are asking in a polite manner, that we are requesting in a polite manner. Okay, see the first one. You are in a shop. You want to ask the shopkeeper for some chocolates. So we have to analyze that we went to a shop and we are asking the shopkeeper for some chocolates. So how do we start asking shopkeeper, and how we will reply to the shopkeeper's answer. Okay, we will see here. So this is you and this is shopkeeper. See, you will ask, hello uncle. So first you will go to the shop. See here, you are in a shop. So now you will go to the shop and you will say to shopkeeper, hello uncle. And then shopkeeper is saying, yes please. And now you, I need some chocolates, can you please? So here we are asking please. This is a polite request. Okay, can you please help me? So shopkeeper is saying, yes sure. Then you, I want dairy milk, 5-star, munch and Milky Bar. So here you are asking the shopkeeper whatever the types of chocolates you want to buy. Okay, and the shopkeeper is giving you the reply. Okay ma'am, let me check. He is asking in a polite manner. Okay, you said okay. Then shopkeeper, sorry ma'am, we don't have Milky Bar, so would you mind buying another instead? So shopkeeper has checked all the chocolates are available in their shop or not, and he did not find Milky Bar in their shop. So he is saying, sorry ma'am, we don't have Milky Bar, so would you mind buying another instead? So he is asking, instead of Milky Bar, would you happy to buy another chocolate? In this way he is asking. And you, oh, that's fine. Keep Milky Bar aside. Rest give all the remaining chocolates. So you are also saying in a polite manner, it's okay. Apart from Milky Bar, you can give rest of the chocolates. Okay, in this way you are saying. So in this way you have to frame. In this way you have to frame these situations. Okay, I want, see, second one. You want a sandwich. You ask your father to make one for you. So you want to eat sandwich and now you are asking your father to make one for you. So how will you ask? How will you frame this situation with a polite request? Okay. And third one, your friend is about to leave for school. You wish to travel with him or her in his or her car. Okay. So your friend is about to leave for school. Okay, so you also want to travel with him or with her. So how will you ask your friend? Okay, see the fourth one. The announcer at the railway station asks the passengers to keep the platform clean. So how will the announcer ask the passengers? Okay, I want you to frame some situations with the polite request. Okay, so after I receive your feedback, I am going to frame a situational request to these questions again. Okay, so now we see this pronunciation. Pronunciation means how we pronounce the sentences, how we pronounce the words. Okay, do you know what a tongue twister is? Do you know what a tongue twister is? Say these aloud correctly and try to guess the meaning. So here, see this. Is a pleasant, peasants, pheasant, present. So, will you pronounce, children? All of you repeat along with me. Is a pleasant, P-L-E-A-S-A-N-T, pleasant, peasants, P-E-A-S-A-N-T-S, peasants, pheasant, P-H-E-A-S-A-N-T, pheasant, present, P-R-E-S-E-N-T, present. So, is a pleasant, pheasants, pheasant, present. See the next one. Betty bought a bit of butter, but said she, this butter's bitter. If I put it in my batter, I will make my batter bitter. See again. Repeat along with me, children. Betty bought a bit of butter, but said she, this butter's bitter. If I put it in my batter, I will make my batter bitter. Okay? B-E-T-T-Y, Betty. B-O-T-T-E-R, butter. B-O-U-G-H-T, bought a bit of butter. B-U-T-T-E-R, butter. But said she, this butters, B-U-T-T-E-R-S, butters, bitter. B-I-T-T-E-R, bitter. If I put it in my batter, B-A-T-T-E-R, batter, I will make my batter bitter. I will make my batter, B-A-T-T-E-R, batter, bitter. B-I-T-T-E-R, bitter. In this way we have to pronounce, children. Okay? She sells by the seashore. She sells seashells by the seashore. Again, I am repeating. I want you to repeat along with me. Okay? She sells seashells by the seashore. Okay? How much dew could a dewdrop drop if a dewdrop did drop dew? Okay? How much dew could a dewdrop drop if a dewdrop did drop dew? Okay? I want you to repeat all these sentences. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. I want you to repeat all these, children. Okay? Bye, children. Thank you.